Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Nissan Frontier SV. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 84,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and rear privacy glass.